Okay, this is our chicken coop. Pallets. 2 pallets wide, 3 pallets long for the main coop. We're going to go 3 high. I thought we were going to go 2 high, but it's not tall enough. See, anybody would get their head coming in here. So 3 high all the way around. This pallet is here just for a spacer. This is going to be a door. I want a nice wide door so I can get the wheelbarrow in and clean it out, all of the hay, whatever, and the wheelbarrow full of hay, and the manure goes right to the raised garden. On this wall, there's going to be at least 2 rows of nest boxes that will help, and I would say right on that seam to help nail those together.
About 20 of them.
On this seam, yeah, probably 20. If we're taking 24 to 30 chickens, 20 nesting boxes should be great. Say 2 rows of 10, 2 rows of 12, whatever happens to work out easily. I'm not going to force anything. And like I said, we're going to go 3 high. The roof's going to be a trick because, okay, right here we have a door. This will be the chicken run. The chicken run will stop 1 pallet off the ground. This is just to keep critters out, keep critters from reaching through and grabbing baby chicks by the neck, pulling them through, eating their heads off, eating the chicken right through the wire, and they've done that. Now Sasha's going to be a good deterrent. Okay, but from here up to the roof will be wire, just regular chicken wire. And I want a full roof over the whole thing because we have a lot of hawks, we have eagles, buzzards, a lot of things that are going to pick off chickens, full-grown chickens. And I want a roof covering the whole structure, coop and run both, because that's more roof, more water catchment. We'll have water catchment outside this thing. So that infrastructure will water the chickens, obviously, so that when the building works for us, we have to work less. So your infrastructure does your work. Like 4 years into this, we're finding out we are way behind on infrastructure. Infrastructure should have been done before these other projects. Infrastructure does your work. If not, change it, modify it, make your infrastructure do your work. We're putting a lot of effort into this, not a whole lot of money. We just came from in town and we saw their pre-made, shipped to you in a mailbox kind of chicken coop, and the tiny one was like $500.
It was $400, $399.
$400, okay, that's in a short somewhere. The smallest one was $400, and it was ridiculous, absolutely ludicrous.
It was so poorly made. It wouldn't last more than a year.
And their big one, which had a built-on chicken run, was maybe, I don't know, 12 feet by 6 feet, maybe 10 feet by 6 feet, something like that, was the coop and the run together, and it was probably $2,000, just absolutely stupid.
Thin wood, really weak wood.
Very, very cheaply made, very weakly made. This is going to be solid. The biggest drawback of this design are these pallets are right on the ground. So I know they're going to rot off on the bottom. This is to get us through a couple of years, and maybe this will kind of a makeshift to get us from here to a real structure with like footing, maybe a cement floor, all that happy crap. It'll have power in it, so we can have a light, brooder, all that kind of. It'll fill the need until we get there. So we're just kind of run that in between spot right now. So there it is. This is the outline. This is the working blueprint of a chicken coop. Chicken run, chicken coop. We'll have to make a run into town and get some pallets for the roof. I have a completely, absolutely outlandish idea for the roof. I don't think I've ever seen one done this way. Out of recycling pallets and a pool liner that was gifted to us years ago. We never got the pool set up. I don't have time to goof or swim. So that's going to be the roof. Later.